1, 2, band master.
Loneliness falls just like the rain. It rises soft and comes again. It leaves the sea at end of day. The drifts through skies are cold and gray. From distant plains so vast and wide, it climbs the heavens where it hides. And when the clouds can't hold it back, it spills into the streets so black. Oh, loneliness, you call my name. You flood the night, you fan the flame. To sleepless towns, through lonesome doors, you haunt us all forevermore. It pours down slow in morning's haze, as empty hearts go separate ways, as restless souls in sorrow part, too tired to mend a broken heart. And in the dark, when lovers died, when strangers lay down side by side, and bitter hearts still share a bed, it rains upon their dreams sunset. Oh, loneliness, you call my name. You flood the night, you fan the flame. To sleepless towns, to lonesome doors, you haunt us all forevermore. It walks beside the rivers deep, where secrets drown and echoes weep. And in the quiet, cold and thin, it finds a place where tears begin. Oh, loneliness, you call my name. You flood the night, you fan the flame. To sleepless towns, to lonesome doors, you haunt us all forevermore. Loneliness falls just like the rain. It rises soft, then comes again. It leaves the sea at end of day. The drifts through skies are cold and gray. Through sleepless towns, to lonesome doors, you haunt us all forevermore.